Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the TICONN Extra Large Moving Bags, hailed as the best rug bags for moving on the market. Whether you're relocating, organizing, or need efficient storage solutions, these heavy-duty bags promise durability and convenience. Let's explore why they might be the perfect fit for your needs. These TICONN bags boast dimensions of 27 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 15 inches in height, offering up to 24 gallons of storage space. Made from premium PE material, they're not only sturdy but also waterproof, making them ideal for protecting your belongings during moves or even on camping trips. Firstly, these bags are designed for ease of use with wide and thick carrying handles that provide added strength, capable of holding up to 50 pounds each. Their open-top design allows for effortless loading and unloading, whether you're packing clothes, books, or other essentials. The foldable nature of these bags ensures easy storage when not in use, minimizing space occupation. A tag pocket on the top right corner allows for convenient labeling, making identification simple amidst your packed items. They've been noted for their utility in various scenarios, from moving homes to organizing seasonal items. Whether you're planning a big move or just looking to declutter your space, the TICONN Extra Large Moving Bags are a reliable choice. With their robust build, waterproof properties, and spacious capacity, they provide a practical solution for your storage needs. Check them out via the link in the description below if you're interested in securing your own set. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. See you next time on Product Critique.